Hello and welcome to this video. I am Bhushan Desai from Smart Reporting Development Team. This video is about understanding the various predefined JDBC functions available in Smart Reporting. Basically, functions are predefined formulas which can be used on data types of string and date. These functions are useful in a report development when you want to manipulate the text in your report using functions like trim, substring, padding, etc. Or when you want to calculate the date values with date difference, year, or date functions. This function can be used by a report writer or corporate user role while developing the reports. Let's see the live demo and understand the use of each function. Log on to Remedy and open Smart Reporting application. Now we will create a report where we will explore all the available JDBC functions, navigate to create report. We'll take an example of incident management, click on it. To create a new function, click on the plus icon at the bottom, select predefined formula type dropdown. You will get the list of available functions to you. Now we will create a functions on data type of strings and date. So I'm going to use a function called lower, which is of type string. So I'm selecting that function, define the value for that function. So I'm going to use the value called assignee field. Click on OK. You can give a name to your function. So we use lower function. So I'm giving a name as lower. Save. We will create one more function of type string. Select predefined from the function. You can select upper as your function. Define value. We'll select assignee as the field. OK. Click on save and give a name to your field as upper. Click on save. Now we have created two functions called lower and upper, which is available under the category called calculated fields. Now to validate these functions, we will create a report on these functions. So we have applied this function on field called assignee. So I'll drag that field assignee onto the canvas, and the calculated fields which has function called lower and upper, lower, and another field that we created is upper. So if you notice, the assignee name is showing in both the cases, lower and upper. So likewise, we can create a functions on date objects. So in the next example, I'll show you the functions created on date objects, where we'll take a example. If you want to see the submit date in a month fashion, you can select the function as month, define the value for it. So I'm going to select a submit date as my date. Click on OK, giving a name as date function. Click on save. Now we will validate that date function. We'll drag the submit date object onto the canvas and my date function. So here, if you notice, it's showing the month of the date. On the first row, if you notice, my submit date is 7/11/2008. It's showing the month as 11. On the last row, my submit date is 8 December 2016. It's showing the month as 12. So with this, we have created a function on string data types. We have created functions on date objects. Likewise, you can create a many functions as you want. Thank you for watching this video.